Come with me as I take you on a very funny kitchen journey because this was just crazy. I am cracking up just even doing this video. I have lately been trying to build better habits. So instead of going grocery shopping every day because I don't want the food that's in the house or door dashing or going to go pick up food, I decided to use what I have in the refrigerator. Now, usually if I get perishable items such as spinach, salad bags, I'll probably use a handful and then the rest is always getting thrown in the trash. I'm also trying to eat better, but I hate cooked spinach. But I'm thinking, well, I'm an old lady now, so maybe I'll like it. Maybe not, because this was so nasty. Like, why did I mix the glory greens with the spinach? See, I mixed the glory green beans with the spinach, thinking like it was gonna give it a better type of taste, but it was horrid. Maybe if I wouldn't add the green beans, it would have been a little better, but I had some chopped red onions. I had some leftover tomatoes. I needed to use all of that stuff. And I just sauteed a little here and there and let it just go for a few minutes and went from there. And it was just a complete fail. The whole meal was a damn fail. I don't know what happened that night, but it was just disgusting. I went to the meat market and I saw these St. Louis style ribs. They looked so good in the display. I said, oh, I got to get those. They look fresh off the grill. Let me get that. Disgusting. When I say those ribs were so salty, I felt myself getting hypertension right then and there. I thought I was going to pass away, okay? Like just thick, caked on season, and they look good. And of course, you can't have, ribs without some type of baked beans or something like that. So I did get a can of like these Campfire beans, and I added some leftover garlic sausage that I had already cooked. And that was probably the best part of the meal, that and rice. I mean, I even tried to mix the rice with the vegetables. Like, see, it looks good. Like, it looks doable. But y'all, this was nasty. And then I'm up here trying to do the little cute little, the thumbnail. Man, what's a night? Okay, you want to talk about Great Depression, baby. This was great. I don't